Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm just going to show off I guess maybe a magazine and a monthly subscription that I started, but it's not your usual monthly subscription. So first of all, I just want to say this pattern, this outfit or top that I'm wearing right here, this is from Denise from Black Ribbon Studio. This pattern she'll be going out. It'll be in her Etsy shop for sale. And so I'm just going to let you know, I'll leave the link below to her YouTube channel, her Facebook group page, and her Etsy shop. And you can go check out this pattern. And the other one that I did this week was Jean on the Hook Crochet. She has a lovely pattern that I just finished, and it's right here. And hers is called the Coffee Break Sweater. So I'll leave her links below as well, and you can go check out these two tops. I did these with loops and thread cream cotton, and this one took just about 2 skeins of 432 yards a piece. It's 87% cotton, 13% nylon, and Jean's took a little over 1 for the pink and not even a whole one for the gray. So if you're interested in making these, that's about how much. Now, I made mine a size medium, I believe. I did wash these and I dried them, and they did shrink some. Now, they fit me just perfect after shrinking them because I did make mine a little bit bigger. So probably should be making mine a small, like if I was to do this in acrylic. But anyway, so I just want to show that off to start this video with. And so anyway, my monthly subscription. Okay, so as of right now, I have tried so many monthly subscriptions of yarn between, knit crates and I mean just all kinds of stuff. And I decided that my last one was Crochet Society. I think that was my last one. I decided I'm going to go a different route and try something different that's not crochet related, but it will give me some t-shirts to wear for my videos. How good is that, right? So this monthly subscription does not contain yarn, but it does contain some clothes, and I thought, at first I wasn't going to share it. I was just going to put my stuff up and just be excited about what I got. And then I was like, well, wait a minute, what if there are other people that don't know about this? And because, I wasn't told about this monthly subscription, but I was told about, they always have like 60% off and stuff of their t-shirts and things like that. And so I had taken advantage of that. Ella, no catchy name. Yes, she had sent me a message one time letting me know that they had 60% off some of their shirts. And so I took advantage of that, and I think it had free shipping with it too. And I bought me a few shirts. Well, I've been buying shirts from them ever since. Thank you, Ella. I appreciate that. Go check out her channel. She does have a YouTube channel. Anyway, so whenever I had canceled my Crochet Society, I was like, well, what can I do that to replace that? And I wasn't really sure. So anyway, I decided when I saw this on their website, I decided to do it. So it with shipping and handling and maybe sales tax, I'm not sure. But anyway, whatever, the bottom line is $34.99 is what I pay a month, or what I'm going to pay. And I don't know how many months I'm going to do it. Just like any other subscription box, I'm going to do it and try it out for a few months. So far, I'm very happy with my first month. But, I think we're all very happy with our first month on any subscription, just about, right? But anyway, so for my $34.99, this is what I got. I got this nice little hat. It says, love, Romans 5, maybe 5:9. I guess I need to look that up, right? But I gave this to my husband. Here's the back side. Well, I didn't give it to my husband. He saw it, he snatched it, and he said he wanted it. And I'm like, okay, because I do get the t-shirts. So they will send you like one $20 type item. And it could be like a tumbler, a mug or something. It could be like in this situation, it's a hat. It could be a cross necklace. They said that that it's something different every month, but it's worth $20, whatever they do send you. And so this is what my first month, it came with that. And you do get these stickers like this. Isn't that pretty? And of course, you know, I'll put these on my laptop, my whip caddies and things like that. This is John 3:16. These are nice, really nice vinyl stickers. This is love like Jesus. And there's that one. So pretty. I love these. And so you get like, I think they said 3 stickers. And then you get like this card. It says, when you're down, do nothing. God is up to something. And let's see. Okay, so you actually get 2 cards. There's one of them. And it's blank on the inside, so you can write whatever you want on it. And then this one, Be the Light, Matthew 5:14. There's that. And then the back side of this one is really pretty. And it says love and faith. And it's probably blank on the inside too. Yeah. So you can write whatever you want on it. That's pretty cool. There's the back side to that one. I forgot to show that off. So you get like 2 cards that you can use to send to people. You get 3 stickers. You get a surprise gift. And you get 2 t-shirts. And they're mystery t-shirts, you know, because it's like any subscription box. It's a mystery. You always know you're going to get, depends on what subscription box you're getting. You always know you're going to get a hook, a stitch marker, a thing of yarn, and a pattern. Well, this is kind of like this. You always know you're going to get the cards. You always know you're going to get the stickers and 2 t-shirts and a surprise item. And then they actually will send a 1 t-shirt to, and I can't remember where they said now. I don't know if it's like the homeless shelter, maybe something like that. But anyway, it does say it on the website. I just can't remember where it goes. But 1 t-shirt does go out to the needy. So the one that I got, my first one, it says Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness, my God, that's who you are. Now, this is actually a song that we always sing in the choir. So I got this. And that was a good one, wasn't it, guys, for my t-shirt. And my second t-shirt, and I love these colors. This one, it says God, and I don't know what that is. Fidence, knowing I can't, but knowing He will. I'm not really sure what that says, but it's pretty. So these were my 2 mystery t-shirts. So you get 2 of those a month. And it comes in this called Love in, well, it's my address, right? It comes in this love in Faith little package here. So that's what you get. And it says T-shirt of the Month Club monthly. And you can pick your size. I picked a large because, you know, I always know that clothes shrink. And I like wearing leggings. Or if I'm not wearing leggings, I'm wearing tight jeans. Or what they call it, as Nona Gray says, skinny jeans. That's usually what I'm wearing if I'm not wearing a pair of leggings. So, because I like to be comfy. And anyway, so I just want to share that with you guys. Just let y'all be aware of that in case you didn't know. And you're looking for a new subscription box. And it's just like any other one. You can cancel. I will leave the link below. I don't know if they have the type of thing like I can do a referral or anything like that. I don't recall seeing that when I signed up for this, but I will still leave the link to the subscription thing in case you're interested. And yeah, and if you do sign up for it and you get your t-shirts and stuff in the mail, take a snapshot and put it on Facebook. You know, we'd all like to see it. I've already taken a snapshot of all of my stuff before I brought it in here. And so I'm going to post mine on Facebook and show everybody what comes in it, because to me, $35 for 2 shirts, a hat, stickers, and a couple cards, I think is worth it. So for right now, or at least for this month, I feel like I got my money's worth, you know. And I was telling my husband that $45 that I was spending on that other box, I was like, I could buy a lot of yarn for $45. So, yeah. I'm not even going to go there. But I just wanted to show this to you guys. The other thing is, before I let you guys go, is I did buy at Barnes & Noble, I did buy this book. It's called Crochet Living. And it was like $20 for this. Ugh, that's high. To me, it's high. But they have some really cool stuff. And I did let's see. I don't know if I marked this one exactly. I mean, I marked it for stuff I want to make, but like I want to make my sister this tablet case. But there's I guess I did not mark this one. I thought I had gone through. Oh, I want to make this. This here little Superman. Isn't that cute? Well, Super Cat, I guess is what he is. Let's see. There he is. It's called the Super Toys, but I want to make the middle one. The Super Cat. I really thought that I had this pulled pinned to the side. Oh, yeah, and these remind me of Pikachu and all those characters. Aren't they cute? Let's see. I'm not doing very good at this. Oh, yeah, my daughter wants the caterpillar. So, of course, I'll make it in different colors. But there's the waffle case. I really thought I had some stuff that had them divided. And that's real cute. Look at that. Let's see. I don't think it shows it in the back. Nope. So let me see. Guys, there's a lot of stuff in this book. In fact, I'll show you this one. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. The Sweet Pea blanket. I think I've seen that other places. But they had this one that, oh yeah, here's an idea. There we go. There's some of them right there. Aren't these down here just super cute for little toddlers? But there we go. Oh, they have some dog beds in here. There's more than that. Is that the only pictures they're going to give? I guess so. But there was this blanket I wanted to show you guys. Granny Square Throw. There we go. Page 30. Found it. Look at this. Look at that. I'm like, oh my gosh. And here's what I really thought was cool. I was showing this to my sister. No, to my daughter and my husband. Yeah. I don't think they understood what I meant. I think they just kind of listened to me and agreed. But I'm going to have to get up to the camera on this one. Okay, so there's another picture of it. But look, there's the layout. I was like trying to show them that and explain what that is, but I don't think they got it. Isn't that cool though? I'm like, oh my gosh. I mean, oh, it's like you need to take a picture of this and then print your picture out in order to, you know, do that. Yeah. But it's beautiful, isn't it? We could always, you know, dream that we could do it. And we can. I mean, mine is just time issue. I lose focus way too much. I have to have projects that are fast, or I lose interest way too quick. So that's my issue. I mean, we can all do that. They look pretty easy. I mean, the majority of them. Some of them look kind of fun. Like some of them I might have to dig up a video on. But overall, yeah. But I just don't have time for the stuff like big projects like that. I am working on a Granny Square one. But it's nothing in comparison to that. You know what I mean? Okay, well, that's all that I have right now. I will have another video that will have, what's his name? Mr. Tutor Ants. And the other one is Al the Alpaca. Now, Mr. Tutor Ants, it's actually spelled Tooterphants. I'm thinking, I'm really not even sure how you pronounce it. It could be Tutor Ants, Tutor Fants, Tutor Pants. So it's either pronounce it like with the P silent or the P, well, either the P and H silent or the H silent or the P and H. Yeah. Okay. So it's either pronounced with with all the letters, Tutor Fants, yeah, PH, or you could say Tutor Pants and the H be silent, or you could say Tutor Ants and the PH be silent. So I'm not really sure what they wanted. Go figure. But it didn't matter. So I can name it Tutor Pants or Tutor Ants, whichever one I want. It's an anteater. That's the bottom line. It's an anteater. So we're just going to go with that. But I didn't have to name him because he already kind of has a name. So I will put Mr. Tudor Ants in my next video, him and Al the alpaca. And then in that video, I'll tell you how Al got his name. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.